In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to a Canva video. If you haven't tried this feature yet, you're in for a treat. Canva Pro offers an easy and efficient way to add background music or voiceovers to your video projects, making them more engaging and professional. Whether you're new to Canva or just new to this feature, by the end of this tutorial you'll feel comfortable and confident adding audio to enhance your content. So let's dive right in. First, you need to ensure you're using Canva Pro, as some features, particularly related to audio, may require this subscription. Once you've logged into your Canva account and have opened a video project you'd like to work on, navigate to the left-hand side of the interface. Here you'll see a menu where you can explore various elements you can add to your design, including text, elements, and of course audio. Click on the Audio tab. This will open up a selection of tracks and sounds you can use. Once you click on audio, you will be presented with a library of music and sound effects. Canva offers a variety of audio tracks across different genres and moods. Take your time to peruse this library. Hover over each track to reveal the play button, which allows you to preview the audio before making a decision. It's always a good approach to think about the atmosphere you want to create with your video to help guide your choice here. After listening to some tracks and finding one that you feel complements the visual content of your video, it's time to add that audio to your project. To do that, simply click on the audio track you've selected. Canva will immediately place the audio onto your video's timeline. You'll notice that the track appears at the bottom of your screen, integrated into the timeline of your video project. This visual representation allows you to see exactly where the audio begins and ends in relation to your video clips. Now, you may need to adjust the position of this audio track to fit better with your footage. To do this, click and drag the audio track along the timeline, position it as needed, ensuring any significant movements or moments in your video align well with the rhythm or emotional beats of your chosen music. Additionally, don't forget to adjust the volume if necessary. You want to ensure that the audio complements the visual narrative without overpowering any spoken words in the video. That's it, you've successfully added audio to your Canva video. Remember, this is an iterative process. You might need to try a few different tracks before finding the perfect one, but with Canva's user-friendly interface, experimenting is both easy and fun. So go ahead and unleash your creativity, happy editing, and I'll see you in the next video.